I'm really excited because I've been wanting to do something to the kitchen for so long. The plan is to completely upgrade it, like for real, eventually. But like, it's gonna be 20 grand to completely redo the kitchen, like new appliances and all that. And I do not have that. So instead of just like living how it is and just waiting till then, I'm going to do a little renovation for now, you know? So this isn't like a permanent renovation or anything. This is budget friendly, sorry plant, quick little ideas that I have. So my color palette, I'll put some like of my Pinterest, I'll put my Pinterest board up, boom, boom, and some like pictures of what inspires me, like sage green, cottagecore, that's the vibe. So yesterday I went to Home Depot, which is a very scary place for me. It's like as soon as I go in there, they're like, do you need any help? You need help? Like, you need something? I'm like, I'm going to get paint samples. So I got all these like green paint samples and I chose this color right here. It's called Cottage Hill. It's like a sagey green. I love it. So now that I'm like a grown adult woman, like I decided to get a sample size of the paint. So this is like $6 for like an 8-ounce sample so that I can like paint one of the cabinets and see if it doesn't look like complete trash or like the color that I want, you know? So I'm taking this cabinet completely out and I'm gonna put floating shelves in instead. So I have to like hammer that bitch out. And my friend, he works in construction, so like I have someone that could help. He said he could come and do it Sunday, which is great, but I'm gonna try myself now and see how it turns out. Holy crap. Should I just throw it on the ground? I don't want to like make a huge thing. All right, so I got the floating shelves in. All right, so I got the floating shelves in. They are basically, you just had to like install this.